Hey everybody, it's Gina from AuntieGinasCucina. I am going to make a quick and easy sauce tonight. It's a little different. It's with artichokes and white wine, and your family will love it. I'm going to throw it over fettuccine. I'll show you what the next step is. Hey everybody. Okay, I have chopped up the garlic, and I have cut up the artichokes in nice little pieces. So we're gonna start by throwing in the garlic and cooking that up a little bit so you kind of get that flavor. All right, you don't want it to get dark, but I gotta tell you, the smell of garlic in oil is amazing. So now I'm gonna saute that a little bit. I find this to be a little easier than with a spoon. So now I'm gonna lower the heat and throw in the artichoke. Okay, now a little salt, and we're just gonna cook that up for about a minute or so. All right. Put it back up on high. Okay, I'm gonna cook this for a minute or so, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, I've got about 2 minutes? I'm going to add about half a cup of white wine and a good cup of chicken stock. All right. Don't forget, always shake it. So I'm gonna put it back on high. And once it comes to a boil, we're gonna do our little restaurant trick. Remember? A pat of butter in flour. And just throw it in and let this bubble away. So we're going to add a little bit of black pepper and let this cook. I'll show you in a second. Okay, this has been about, I want to say 5 minutes. I'm going to add a nice handful of grated cheese. All right. Now again, let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, and this way it'll thicken up with the cheese, and I'm gonna throw it over fettuccine. It's gonna be delicious. I'll show you what it looks like.